flick. We haven't gotten any of those yet.
It's been done.
What's the 50th date?
Hawaii.
All right, well, now we turn around and go home. Good trip. Well, boys.
Where the passport?
And girls.
What?
We're arriving at the
Bro, my passport.
Canadian Alaskan. Why would you leave them out?
Alright, bro, get him home.
Why would you leave the passports out? Oh, would you look at that? There they are. Anyways, head to the Alaskan border. Yeah, but we gotta save this song to bump. Here she blows, folks.
How's it going?
Where you going?
Denali is our first destination.
Okay, what's the reason?
Just traveling, seeing all the national parks. Michigan. How we going? Yeah, bro. I was expecting like, welcome to Alaska. Welcome to Alaska, guys. Thanks for stopping by our wonderful state. No, just all right. Go. Go.
You're good.
We finally made it to Alaska, our main destination. But we didn't really have any plans for when we got there. So we just started driving to the first national parks.
Boys, first national park
Alaska.
in Alaska. How do we feel?
Denali. I don't know. I haven't seen anything yet, but I think our American National Park pass will work.
No doubt. We're in America.
I hope so. Let's see some moose, some bears.
Came all the way to Denali National Park, and we can only drive 15 miles out of the 98 miles, and you have to pay for a bus to go any farther.
Pretty stupid.
Pretty stupid. Because we can't even do anything. We're stuck at mile 15, and all the stuff to see is past mile 15, so they make you pay or walk to go walk and see it, or pay for a bus. So we're gonna go outside the park and do something, because we planned on cooking up and hiking late. The sun never sets because of the time that we're in Alaska. So we're gonna hike and do stuff in the night, because this park's open 24 hours, but we can't even drive to go do what we want to do. Peep this dope ass hat though. Bought that boy at Walmart. Bought that boy at Walmart.
Denali did definitely not go to plan, but we quickly found some other things to do.
Brother!
Imagine sliding down this, dude. That's
Brother! Look at that. Bro. This is sick.
Denali Mountain is somewhere in that vicinity. That way. GX, sitting pretty, as always.
Really, bro? Screen aging?
my bad, dude.
Really?
Just checking up on.
Bro.
It can't be this close, bro. We cannot be putting that in the vlog. Just checking up on some emails.
On some emails.
Some she-mails. Some she-mails. Of course not. Oh, buddy's out there. Yup, we're gonna be alright. We're moving, boys. That wasn't too shabby now, was it? Oh, there's hella people here. Oh my god, there's way too many people here. Howdy. How's it going, son? Bro, this isn't even camp. Maybe we can go down a little ways and find a good spot. Chilling. And that concludes the river pass. And now for the campsite being set up. Adios. Alright, I lied. We're still going further. Too many damn people around here. So there's a little island. That might be kind of hard to see. There's an island right there. So we're gonna cross the river stream / lake. Hopefully if it's not deep enough. And we're gonna go post up over there. And we have an idea, because we don't know how deep it is, but we have a dog. So let's send the test dog in there. You want a stick, doggy? I know you want this stick. Ready? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. That'll play. Go get him, Kiva. This is what Alaska is all about, folks. That's what we're talking about. Saddle up now, boys. All right, nice safe stance here. Hey, careful. You got expensive cargo outside the vehicle, all right, ma'am? It's not too deep. Not too deep. Rolling up to the old campsite. On a serious note though, it's getting tougher and tougher by the day to go to bed at a reasonable time because it just doesn't get dark outside. So we're sitting here, it's like midnight, and I'm like, bro, it's like the sun's rising, bro. Like, let's get after it. Let's get a bonfire going. Let's get some beers going. So I've come to the conclusion that if I rock some sunnies, it's like it replicates the nighttime. 11:08, bro, and it's just broad daylight. The sun literally does not set here. It's crazy. So, bro, I'm telling you, if a grizzly bear attacked me 10 times out of 10 every single day of the week, that bear is gonna regret messing with me. I'm gonna hit him with a little juke this way, juke that way, go under it, and then I'm gonna hop back on its back, boom, end the story. So bears out there, quit playing with me, my boy. He's getting pissed off, so we're gonna disassemble his entire tent when he's sleeping. Alright, this is when you get the left side. So we'll pull him out. Breathe and let it go, and it should just flatten. Okay.
The next day, we decided to explore the surrounding areas because there was just so much to see in Alaska.
Bro, I am getting maple syrup.
Nope.
I was
You can
not
thank
part of
Jack.
that.
You can thank Jack for that.
Come over
They
here.
didn't see nothing.
We saw everything. We're looking at it.
They didn't see nothing.
Maple
What are you
syrup.
looking at?
I'm
What's going on?
I'm missing a bite from my bread.
That's crazy, dude. Maple syrup on the potatoes. Great way to end the night. Before we catch some salmon tomorrow.
Let's fucking go, bro! I've never been so excited.
That's what Alaska is all about, my boy. What y'all know about it?
You heard that right. We're going salmon fishing. Stay tuned.